Nothing beats the flavour and freshness of homegrown. So whether you have a balcony or a windowsill, or perhaps you've got acres of land, we're going to show you how to set up your own kitchen garden. So first up is preparation. If you're limited on space, why not grab yourself some hanging baskets? Perfect for herbs and trailing tomatoes. Also, if you haven't got room for a greenhouse, you can mimic the warmth and protection using grow tunnels. Sowing seeds is easier than you think, especially using seed tape. And it's so satisfying seeing your fruit and veg grow. Now, if you cannot wait, then grab yourself potted plants. I also like to make sure I have a good stash of edible flowers in my garden. If you crystallise the petals, they look beautiful on all your cakes and bakes. Next up, at the first sign of slugs, create a protective barrier. The wool in this barrier is a great way of stopping slugs from ruining your harvest. No matter what space you have, you can make it work. So go on, get out there and get growing.